Hello.
Hello.
Now I will talk about American football. This is American football, and this is rugby. This is Water Camp. He is called the father of football. American football was started in 1879 with growth instituted by Watercamp, born in 1859 in Connecticut. Players and coach at the University. Watercamp edited every American football book until he died in 1925. Then I will talk about different of American football and rugby. This is Henry. American football. For 15 minutes quarter and rugby to 40 minutes quarter. American football had 11 players. Rugby had 15 players. American football in USA and rugby worldwide. Bone of American football is 28 centimeters long and about 56 centimeters wide and was around 875 pounds. Bone of rugby is 27 centimeters long and 60 centimeters wide and was around 11 pounds. Protected gear of American football, helmet, shoulder protector, upper leg, padding, and mouth are rightfully be protected gear of rugby is padding on head, shoulders, carbon, only mouth is required. American football. American football is a game with intense physical racing with players that have speed, power, and explosiveness that requires helmets and padding to be worn. Object of the game is to score ball by carrying the ball between the opponent's touchline, also scoring by kicking it between the goals, both corner, field goal. The Super Bowl is annual championship game of the National Football League, the highest level of professional football in the United States.
That's all. Okay, I will ask you a question to see if you remember what you just talked about. How many people are there on an American football team?
11 players.
11 players. Okay, how long is it?
To 15 minutes quarters.
So it means how long?
For 15 minutes quarters.
It means how long?
60 minutes.
16 minutes. So what are their protectors here? Protective gear.
Helmet.
Okay. Thank you.